Ladies, this one is for you. We have got a devoted social coming up called Pizza and Play. And yes, it is what it says. There is going to be lots of pizza. It's happening on Saturday the 4th of February. Tickets are £8, which covers the cost for the pizza, drink and nibbles. And it's just a great time for us women to get together, to have some fun together, to hang out, to see what everyone's up to, and to get deeper in community with the Lord. So guys, join us for that on Saturday the 4th of February. The Strength Will Rise 2023 weekend away is happening again this year. It's going to be an amazing time of worship together. It's going to be an amazing time getting together, having some fun, doing life together as church community, as family away for the weekend. So why don't you book in to come along with us? Now the deadline's coming up on the 19th of February, so make sure that you have booked by then, by the 19th of February, your place, your accommodation, to come join us on a wonderful weekend away with the Lord and with one another. We'll see you there. Midweek church this week, so on Wednesday at 7:30 is prayer and Bible study, so why don't you join us for that? And that's all for XL News, so have a great week guys.